What's going on, guys? Tom from Spiritus Systems. Today we're going to be talking about our new product, the 5SC shoulder cover. So this is our 5SC shoulder cover. It is a plate carrier strap shoulder cover designed primarily to increase your capability for cable routing and comfort without adding any additional bulk. The main problem with shoulder covers out there right now is that it's one end of the spectrum or the other. It's either super bulky with maximum feature set, but it's a little bit more comfortable, or it's super minimalist. What we're trying to do is bridge the gap, right? So the 5SC shoulder cover has just enough bulk, just enough features to, do all your cable management, be comfortable on your shoulder, but then also be able to scale down and just do the bare minimum of covering your shoulder straps and actually managing your cables around your shoulder. So right out of the box, the 5SC shoulder cover is going to come pre-assembled in its Tweave construction body. There's two additional components on the inside that we'll talk about here in just 1 second. And then it's also going to come with two pieces of 3/4 inch one wrap that are going to allow you to set the position on your shoulder strap once you've assembled this on your carrier. The curve component is going to allow it to form to your body type over time, really for structure. The low compression foam is going to provide you the comfort, and then the Tweave body is going to do all of your cable routing with the elastic pieces and stuff. And what this is going to allow you to do is scale up or down, so you can use it with just the Tweave construction, or with the foam alone, or with the foam and the curve. So it's going to allow you to fully scale up or down depending on exactly what you want to get out of this product. The Tweave construction on the 5SC shoulder cover is very comfortable. It's going to move with you and with your kit. It's going to stretch to allow you to put your cables through it and provide you that cable management. It's going to disappear on your kit. You're really going to forget that it's there. It's going to provide you the maximum level of comfort for really the profile that we're looking to provide here. I'm going to show you kind of how I have it set up on one of my carriers, and then I'll show you how to set the position up on the one wrap, so you can actually set the position on your shoulder cover as well too, right? So you can see here, it's the shoulder straps are tied into the carrier. The 5SC shoulder cover is on the shoulder strap and then provides you cable routing and management without any additional snag hazards, while maintaining that structure and comfort. The one wrap that we talked about that's included here really allows you to set that position. So you're going to figure out exactly where you want your 5SC shoulder cover to sit along your strap. Going to get that position, and then fold your one wrap over, fold it over itself again, and then cover it up with the elastic cable routing. So that's the 5SC shoulder cover, currently available on SpiritusSystems.com in all of our main plate carrier colorways. So that's black, multicam, ranger green, and coyote. And if you can tell us in the comments what you think 5SC means and actually get it right, you can have my firstborn child.